The Appointment Reminders upload service is a downloadable application that can be installed on your local Windows machine. It will allow you to automatically upload files to us when it sees a new file in the folder that you specify. The folder can be on a workstation, server, or shared drive. If you create a file that adheres to our file format, then there is no additional charge to use this application to upload files and download reports. If you are unable to create a file in this format, then we can build a custom parser on our end. There is a small monthly fee associated with custom parsing. We refer to this as our integration service. Please contact our tech team if you need custom parsing. There is a link in the description below to our acceptable file format. The first thing you will need to do is download the application. There is a link in the description below to our help posting where you can download the application. Once you have downloaded and extracted the application, click on setup.exe. When prompted, select the Everyone radio button. Also, select where you want the application installed or accept the default location. Click Next and complete the installation. To ensure that the application can read and write from the INI file, locate the installation directory. Within the installation directory, locate the config.ini file. Right-click and select Properties. Next, select the Security tab. Click the Edit button. Next, click the Add button. Type in Everyone and hit OK. With Everyone selected, allow all permissions to the file. If you have tight security on your network, you may be able to give less permissions than this. However, if you give everyone full permission to this file, then there should not be any issues writing to it. Click on your Start menu and open the AppointmentReminders.com configuration. Click Choose INI file and locate the config.ini file from the directory where you installed the application. This loads in the config file that the application will read. We recommend creating a user specifically for data integration. This can be done in the Users area of your AppointmentReminders.com account. If you don't want to create a user, you can use your main account credentials as well. I will create a data integration user. This allows me to create a user that is specific for data integration and cannot be used to log into the main portal. Once you have created your user and reset your password, you are ready for the next step. Click on the Upload Settings tab. Set custom processing to false unless you are utilizing our integration service, which adds a custom parser to your files. If you are not sure, then select false. Enter the username and password. Also, choose the folder locations for your imports, logs, and processed files. The import folder is where the application will look for your files. The log folder is where we will write log files, including any troubleshooting information. The processed folder is where we will copy files after we upload them. If you have multiple locations, check the box and it will create multiple folders within the import folder, once for each location. Click on Download Settings. If you want automatically download reports, then check the Enable Downloads checkbox. Otherwise, uncheck it. Choose the reports that you want to download, as well as the location of the downloads folder. Also, select the time that you want to download them. Now you can either simply reboot the machine or go into your services and start up the Appointment Reminders upload service. This will create the appropriate folders and start the service. I am going to attempt to upload a file. This file is just an exact duplicate of the import template that you can download. We will start with this just to see if it's successful. There is a link to this file in the description. copy your file into the Imports folder. It may take a few seconds for it to disappear. Once it disappears, take a look at your log file to see what it says. My log file says that it was sent successfully. Now if I log into my account and go to Import Files, I can see that this file was uploaded successfully. Once you have set this up, whenever you place a file into your Imports folder, it will be uploaded to our site. You can also check the Downloads folder for reports if you have enabled them. If you have any issues or need help with this application, please let us know and we will be happy to walk you through it.